Hello and welcome to the Brown Teddy Bear semester of Sound Beginnings. Just like every other semester in the Sound Beginnings curriculum, activities in Brown Teddy Bears classes are designed to help your child grow musically, physically, and academically. This semester, our songs will include themes such as the weather, seasons, words that rhyme, and of course, bears. The semester instrument is a set of rhythm sticks, and your child will have an opportunity to use them in every single class. We will combine creative movement with classical music and explore kid-friendly favorites like Flight of the Bumblebee. And as in all semesters of Sound Beginnings, children will learn about the alphabet, strengthen fine motor skills through finger plays, and develop their vocal and rhythm skills through age-appropriate musical play. We can't wait for you to watch your child learn, grow, and have fun in a Brown Teddy Bears class.